back to my channel. So I know I've been very inconsistent with my posts. I'm working on it, okay? I'm working on it. But for today's video, if you don't already know, had a message. We are going to the beach, just me and my mom. That's my grandpa. Yeah, we're just going to the beach today. I think we're going to Misquamicut or Hammonasset. I don't know which one we're going to. I think she wants to go to Misquamicut because you know it's farther and she likes to drive her car. So I'm just currently sitting outside waiting for her. She went to take off her retainer. Should be back by now. Do have my hair braided because you know hairdresser things. I also did her hair, but you know she slept on it, so it's kind of crazy. But it's okay because we're going to the beach. Ain't nobody gonna care. So yeah, just outside waiting for her right now. But when we get to the beach, I'll let you know which beach we go to because I don't really know. Alright guys, so we made it to the beach. We here. As you see, I've recorded some of the way here. And yeah, so we're at this place called Purple Ape because we want to see about renting jet skis. Period. Right, Mom? We're renting a jet ski today? Or some type of paddle boat or something. But she wants to rent a jet ski.
I do.
So that's what we're going to do. So yeah, we're going to get some information on that. And see you on the paddle boat because that's where we ended up at. Alright guys, so we are on a paddle boat. We about to get OD tired right now. Going faster? We're chilling. We're out on the water. There's birds flying. So yeah, we get this for an hour. Period. Chilling. It's mad loud. I don't know why. It's annoying. But yeah, do a little cue the montage. Return our precious boat here and then go to the beach and hang out. Yeah. So this is a fun day. Mom got the day off and don't know how to act, period. But look at that view, bro. Period. So yeah, I'm gonna make some sandwiches because I'm hungry. Oh my god! And I'm buying a hermit crab. Yay! Alright guys, so we just got to the beach and there's mad people here. Mad people. It took us like, what, 5 minutes to find a good spot, so we put all of our stuff down and about to get in the water. Period. I just woke up from like a mini nap. I was sun tanning. The ocean is over yonder. And I want to go in, but I'm going to lose my phone, and I didn't bring my stick. Midlife crisis. No, I'm just kidding. I'm back there chilling. Making she all that and a bag of chips because she got the day off. But these waves are kind of monstrous. And I'm scared. I'm definitely gonna lose my phone in the water. I'm about to go in, so. I'm gonna lose my phone! It's freezing and this water's disgusting. Oh my god. Guys, so we had a fun time at the beach. We are now in the car on our way back home. Actually, I don't think we're going home. We're actually gonna go pick up my hermit crabs first. Right, Mom? Hermit crab time.
Yeah.
So I need to take a shower. I look crusty. I look mad shiny. So we're gonna go get some hermit crabs, maybe get some food, and then be on our way home. So yeah. Alright, we have arrived to the hermit crab destination. Damn, Mom! Got me opening the door on ropes out here. Jesus. Okay. We are here to get some hermit crabs. Hi. Hello. Policeman. They was robbed. Alright. Got a pair of shorts from this store. Yes. Alright guys, so we left the store and I got my hermit crab. He's right there. I named him Shelly. I don't know if it's a him or her, but his name is Shelly. And then we have another one, but it's for a surprise. Okay. Yeah, now where are we going now, Mom?
Pa casa.
So we're going home. About an hour and 45-minute drive. I'll take a nap. Today was fun. I need a shower. I have Fritos. Yay. Hey guys. So I had to give away my hermit crab. So the original plan was to keep my hermit crab. I bought two. I'll put the picture in so you can see them. So I had two hermit crabs. One was for my little cousin her birthday is coming up. And I was gonna give it to her before I went to vacation. Damn, my skin looks so clear. Sorry. Okay, ADHD. So, what was I saying? Hermit crabs. Right. So, but then I started researching, like, should they be alone? Because in the papers that they gave us, because the lady didn't give us information, she just said, oh, here's your hermit crabs. Make sure the sponges are always wet, change the food twice a day. And that's what she said. She didn't say that they had to be together. So, if I knew that, I would have got one cage. But then I got two. Because one was for my cousin, one was for me. Duh. So what I ended up doing, I just moved all the stuff from the small cage that I had into the bigger one. And I put the small hermit crab with the big one. So they'll be fine. Oh, give me your food. I'm vlogging.
It's hot. I mean, it's heavy.
Okay. And hot. Hot and heavy.
Abre.
Vlog. So we just did that. We surprised her. Should have got her reaction, but we just stopped at her house real quick. Gave her the hermit crab. She loved them. She said she'll take good care of them. So it actually worked out fine. Then we gave her the extra cage just in case for cleaning, so she can move the hermit crabs from the big one to the small one to clean the cage. But yeah, she'll take care of them, and I'm with my mom. We just picked up Eliano's. Her Eliano's.
Bang it. Never had Eliano's? Try it. Give it a try.
Okay. So now we're going to my grandma's house because my grandma called us saying she has issues with her phone. So we're going to go fix that, and then we're going to go home because I'm starving, I stink, and I need a shower. So yeah, see you when I'm home.
This girl right here. Don't look at my arm. She's crazy.
She scared me and I screamed.
The car next to...
It's great! Go!
My trunk got stuck!
This is going in the vlog.
I was low rider and God was like, what?
You got sand on you. You feel a little crispy.
Ah!
Ebola. Oh my god. Oh, my stomach. What's up, guys? So as you can see from that last clip, we was on some crackhead energy. We're now home. I took a shower. I'm fresh and clean. I have like a slight sunburn, I guess. I don't even know. It's there, but it's not there. It's on my shoulders. It's on my back. It's on my front. But yeah, so I'm home. Took a shower. I'm clean. I'm fresh. So yeah, about to explore the yearbook. I just smacked myself mad hard. Explore my yearbook and make fun of y'all. No, I'm just kidding. I'm playing. So yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Love y'all. Stay safe.